everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Roblox trade not working in 2026. For that, the first thing that you have to do is verify your privacy settings. For that, simply open up Roblox on your device. Once you have opened up Roblox, what you can do is head over to the more at the bottom of your screen, and then you can head over to settings. Once you're inside settings, what you'll have to go inside is privacy and content restrictions. Under privacy and content restrictions, what you'll have to do is go under who traded with me and set it to everyone or friends depending on your preferences, but this can only be done on tap on trading and inventory, and then under inventory visibility you can set it to everyone. After you have done that, disable any VPN that you may have enabled on your device. The other thing that you can try and do is head over to settings on your device. Once you're inside settings, simply tap on apps, tap on Roblox, tap on storage and cache, clear cache, and try again. If that does not work, try switching your devices or try switching to a browser. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.